Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Sweet and Savory Kitchen. Today I'll be making the delicious, most creamiest, cheesiest white pasta sauce. So I have here half a cup of butter and half a brick of cream cheese. So I'm just going to mix it all together. So now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 cup of milk. You're going to cook it until everything is really nice and creamy. So you're going to keep whisking it until everything becomes nice and creamy. It's going to take about 5 minutes or so. At this point, when everything is all mixed, we're going to add our mozzarella cheese. And we're going to cook it until it melts. Sauce is starting to become really nice and thick and creamy. And now we are going to add the pasta. See the sauce, how nice and creamy and thick it is. Add in the pasta. Our creamy white cheese pasta is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.